Larry FX Academy once again today, and I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. So, today, being Sunday, I actually want to give us a breakdown on the AUD pair. Now, on AUD we can clearly see we are on a downward trend. Now, it's a very clear thing to understand and see. You can clearly see we are on a downward trend, connecting this low to this low. It's very clear we are on a downward trend. Now, in clear terms, this is actually a point where we look out for market to tap or touch before it begins to rally again to either making retracement and all of that. So now this is what we can see on the monthly time frame. Now, inside this particular structure, we now want to understand what is going on in order to understand the character we'll be taking for our trade. So we can now go to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, what can we see in the market? On this weekly time frame, okay, our structure didn't play out at this top here in order to take a trade. Structure didn't play out here, and then so we have to go to the smaller time frame, which is the daily time frame. Now on this daily time frame, let's see what has been happening on the market. Actually, what I can see on this particular market chart is market expecting double tops and making its drops to the downside. So on this particular chart, we are going to be using a different strategy. Now, how do we see? We can clearly see the market created an order block at this top, and the moment market closed below the order block, it went down, hitting take profits here. Now, this is our first take profit, and then this is our second take profit. But for take profit purpose, I always like to take profit at the first level and then leave the market. Now this is the second take profit. And then this is the overall level, this is the final take profit we should be looking out for. So now what can we see is currently happening in the market? We can currently see that this particular market has another block level at this point here, and then that is the level we will be using for our entry. So we can now go to the 4 hours time frame to be able to plot this zone well. Now on the 4 hours time frame, when we come here, we can be able to pick our level, which is this other block here, and some persons will call it the resistance level. Now market having respected this area has been dropping. Now what would we clearly do? We would simply understand that based on this level, we'll be looking out for market to hit this level as our first take profit, and this level as our second take profit. So this particular AUD CHF works majorly with other blocks. So it works majorly with other blocks, and this is the first level of targets we are looking out for this week. So this week, all we'll be looking out for is picking double top levels and taking a sell. So now, for instance, we already had markets break this structure to the downside. Market has given us a break of structure at this point. So what level are we going to be looking at to take our trade from? Basically, we are going to be looking out for market to get into this level. So we are going to be looking out for market to do this. It hasn't tapped into our other block, so we want to see market get into this level and then drop. So this will be the first take profit using this particular method, and this will be the final take profit. So that is the trade we have for this will be the final take profit in terms of this particular trade. So this level is the first take profit, this level is the final take profit. So our stop loss would be at this high, but now market has not tapped into this level, and even if it taps into this level, it taps into it with a wick. So we are looking forward to market to give us an entry at this point. Now if we should go to the 15 minutes time frame, we would see our entry on this 15 minutes time frame. How is that? We would now see this, which is our liquidity graph, what we always want to see in the market, and then we will clearly see this particular level which has been taken out, which is our break of structure to the downside, and then there is a level which is this. So how do we make our entry? Our entry is going to be made when market taps into this particular point, setting our stop loss here, and then we can set our take profit here, or we swing it to the low. This is going to be the first anticipated entry, while this is going to be our second anticipated entry. Okay, hold on, sorry. While this is going to be our second anticipated entry. And then take profit is going to be here. So now, based on how long you might want to hold the trade, you might want to take swing trades, entering from that point and holding market until it gets into this area. Now this is an area market actually tapped from on the higher time frame. Market has actually been giving us such behavior, so it always makes a long-term drop. So that's why we can